The perceived value of Vechain was initially believed to be around $0.0186 per coin. However, the current exchange rate fluctuates within the range of 0.0183 to 0.0190, with the previous day's closing value being 0.0186. This change represents a minimal difference of 0.0000. The conversion rate from United States dollars to Vechain is of significant magnitude. There are high expectations for the future value of Vechain, and on Monday, August 7th, the projected cost is estimated to be a maximum of 0.018. The lease in question is aesthetically pleasing with a value of 0.019. On Tuesday, August 1st, the price of Vechain gauge was observed to be 0.017, but on the following day, it increased slightly to 0.018. The value of 0.019 is the minimum, whereas 0.017 is particularly crucial. The projected price of Vechain on Wednesday, August 2nd, is estimated to range between 0.017 and 0.019, with the prevailing belief being that it will be closer to the higher end of this range. On Thursday, August 3rd, the estimated cost of Vechain was 0.017, which was very high. The value of Vechain is predicted to see significant growth in the years 2023, 2024, and 2027, with a notable increase from 0.016 to 0.018. This forecast contradicts popular belief and demonstrates a substantial potential for Vechain's market performance over a multi-week period. The projected price of Vechain on Friday, August 4th, was 0.017, indicating a significant level of volatility. The value of 0.018 is indicative of a high level of aesthetic appeal, but the lease rate of 0.016 stands in direct contrast to commonly held beliefs. It is observed that the price of engaging in Vechain on Monday, August 7th, ranged from 0.016, which can be considered the lowest, to 0.018, which can be considered the highest. Additionally, on Tuesday, August 1st, the Vechain price was approximately 0.018, which can be considered the highest. On Tuesday, August 8th, the projected cost of Vechain was believed to be approximately 0.019, with a minimum estimate of 0.017. The value of 0.018 can be considered as a relatively small quantity when compared to the value of 0.016, which is fundamentally contrary to the prevailing consensus. The Vechain price on Wednesday, August 9th, was estimated to be around 0.017, with a potential high of 0.018 and a low of 0.016. Similarly, on Thursday, August 10th, the Vechain price was projected to be approximately 0.017, with a maximum of 0.018 and a minimum of 0.016. Contrary to popular belief. In about 2 weeks, on Friday, August 11th, the Vechain price is expected to be around $0.017, with a general high of 0.018 and a general low of 0.016. The projected price of Vechain on Monday, August 14th, is estimated to be around 0.017. With a potential high of 0.018 and a possible low of 0.016. On Tuesday, August 15th, the price of Vechain saw fluctuations, ranging from 0.016 to 0.018, with the highest value observed at 0.018. These variations hold significance within the context of Vechain's market performance. The projected price range for Vechain on Wednesday, August 16th, is estimated to be between 0.016 and 0.018, with the upper limit being the highest and the lower limit being the lowest. This price fluctuation is considered significant in terms of its magnitude. On Thursday, August 17th, the price of Vechain reached a high of 0.016 and a low of 0.015, with a maximum deviation of 0.001. This price movement is of significant importance, particularly over a 3-week timeframe. The anticipated price range for Vechain on Friday. August 18 is projected to be between 0.016 and 0.018, with the highest expected price being 0.018 and the lowest being 0.016. This price range holds particular significance in the analysis of Vechain's market performance. On Monday, August 21, the price of Vechain was observed to range between 0.016 and 0.018, with the highest value being 0.018 and the lowest being 0.016. The anticipated price of Vechain on Tuesday, August 22, ranged between 0.016 and 0.018, with the highest expected value being 0.018 and the lowest being 0.016. This indicates a minimal overall movement of 0.000 or 0.00. On Wednesday, August 23, the estimated cost of Vechain was 0.017, with a maximum value of 0.018 and a minimum value of 0.016. This price range can be considered significant in terms of its magnitude. The projected price range for Vechain on Thursday, August 24, is estimated to be between 0.017 and 0.018, with a minimum of 0.016. This suggests that the current exchange rate is expected to fluctuate between 0.0183 and 0.0190 over the course of approximately 1 month. On Friday, August 25, the price of Vechain reached a value of 0.017, which may be seen as a quite high point. On Monday, August 28, the Vechain cost projection indicated a slight increase from 0.016 to 0.018, demonstrating a somewhat inconspicuous change. However, it should be noted that this change represents the upper limit of the forecasted range. The value of 0.018 can be seen as the minimum value, with 0.016 being the closest approximation in a modest manner. On Tuesday, August 29, the estimated cost of Vechain was approximately $0.016. With a maximum of $0.017 and a minimum of $0.015 in United States dollars. The current conversion rate for United States dollars to Vechain is approximately 53.7399 coins per $1, which is significantly high. The range for today's value is between 52.6593 and 54.5772. With the previous value being around 53.8901, indicating a slight fluctuation. On Thursday, August 17, the price of Vechain was speculated to be about 0.016, with a potential high